He told you to take it easy. 2, we just got into this town and we can't take no chances.
Oh, shut up. What do I care about Mac? He's only the manager of the show. I'm the star. I'm the big shot around here. Nobody tells me what to do. I
can always get you into trouble.
Yeah. I ain't saying you're right, and I ain't saying you're wrong. I guess I've got it coming to me. Hell, only stop preaching to me. Don't worry, honey. I'm through with all men.
Like that.
Hi, big boy. How are you, tight pants? Al. Al. What's the matter with me anyway, always thinking of Al? Why don't you get out of my life and stay out? Get out! I could feel his hot breath burning my face. I could feel his long fingers clutching at my throat. I threw my last bottle of red-eye at him, and I got a sugar daddy, a sailor, Marine, and a preacher man if I want to take the time to work on him. How am I doing?